Hello dear learners, I welcome you all to the today's video lecture on diazepam, which is from the class benzodiazepines. So the topics which we are going to cover today are: first we will discuss the types of tranquilizers and the examples which are coming under the types. Then we are going to shift towards the structural features of diazepam, which is the topic of focus today. Then derivatives of benzodiazepines, what are possible derivatives. Coming towards the SAR of diazepam, we are also going to cover properties, uses, official preparations and brand names of diazepam, along with the mnemonics for the uses of diazepam. We are going to remember the uses based on the name itself. So how it is, we will see one by one. Now, as you all know, tranquilizers are basically of two types: major tranquilizers and minor tranquilizers. So in case of major tranquilizer, we have two main classes of which structures are important. The first class is butyrofenones. From butyrofenones, the drug important drug is haloperidol, and the second class is phenothiazine. The drug is chlorpromazine. And from minor tranquilizer, the important class is benzodiazepine, and example is diazepam. So this was with the classification. The examples we are going to see now. This structural features of diazepam. In diazepam, you can find, this is the basic benzodiazepine moiety which we have discussed in the IUPAC. Benzene ring, diazepine, and at the second position keto group is there. Now at the position N1, that is this substituent, this is R1, is CH3. At fifth position there is a presence of phenyl ring, and at seventh position there is presence of chlorine, which is electron withdrawing group. So these are the structural features of diazepam. At first position there is methyl, second position keto group is there, fifth position phenyl ring is there, and at seventh position chlorine is there, which is electron withdrawing group. Now the derivatives of benzodiazepines are diazepam, flutroprazepam, nitrazepam, clonazepam, etc. So today we are going to talk about the diazepam, which is having the substituent CH3HH chlorine at these respective positions, which we have seen in detail in the IUPAC also. So this is CH3 at R1, and at R4 there is chlorine, that is 7th position chlorine, which we have seen right now. First position CH3, at 7th position chlorine, 5th position phenyl is present. Now this benzodiazepine, the SAR points which we are going to cover. So from the activity point of view, what are the structural features which are important? So we will come one by one. Now at first position, if you will see, there is presence of small substituent, alkyl substituent, that is methyl. So why it is methyl only? Because the smaller substituent, the least molar substituent possible should be present here at first position for the maximum activity. Then double bond O, that is ketone, at second position, that is the saturated bond. This instead which would have been there a double bond. This double bond O is very much essential for the activity. Now this fifth position phenyl again increases the activity if the substituent electron withdrawing group which is present on the phenyl is at ortho position, then only the activity will increase. If it is present at para position, then the activity will decrease, as you can see in the structure here. See, here they have shown the substituent at ortho position, but if the substituent is present at para position, then activity will decrease. If it is at ortho position, as you can see in case of clonazepam, R3 is chlorine, that means here chlorine is there, electron withdrawing group. So according to the SAR, if electron withdrawing group is present at ortho position, it increases the activity, which is in case with clonazepam, and if the substituent is present at para position, it is responsible for decreasing the activity. there this between fourth and fifth position unsaturation should be present. If it is saturated one, then the activity will again decrease. Then these are the possible places for the substitution: 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th. So only 7th position is substituted with the electron withdrawing group, for example chlorine, which is responsible for increasing the activity. Whereas if the substituents are present at 6th, 8th and 9th position, then the activity will be lost. It will result into the inactive compound. So this was with the SAR points. IUPAC we have already seen in the video. Now coming towards the properties of diazepam. Properties, the color is, it is white crystalline powder which is odorless. It is not having any kind of odor. Then it is very slightly soluble in water, but it is soluble in organic solvents such as alcohol. Coming towards the stability and storage, it degrades by hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is responsible for degradation of the diazepam into several products. Therefore, it should be stored in well closed container which is protected from the moisture. Why? Because moisture will lead to hydrolysis, and the hydrolytic degradation will give several products, degradation products. So moisture protection is very important for diazepam. Coming towards the uses, these are the general uses which you can see here. First is in treatment of anxiety, as we have seen in the general uses of tranquilizer. Then treatment of insomnia, lack of sleep at night. Then it is used as muscle relaxant. So in scientific term it is called as antispasmodic, because it is responsible for decreasing the spasms. Again it is also used in the panic attacks, agitation, stress, etc. Also it is majorly used in alcohol withdrawal symptoms, and it is used in combination with other drugs to treat the convulsions, epilepsy. So it is having anticonvulsant features. So how we are going to remember these uses? We are going to remember these uses like this way. दो A है spelling में, diazepam के spelling में there are two A's. So before A is important, whatever the alphabet comes, and this A, इसके पहले भी जो alphabet आता है, that is also really very important. So A and before A whatever the alphabet comes is important, and the second A also before second A whatever the alphabet come, that is also important. So it is with color I have shown. C, IA and PA. Now what is that IA and PA from diazepam? I stands for insomnia, then A stands for two uses, that is antispasmodic and anti-anxietic. Now from A, since the A is very important, पहले A से भी दो uses है and second A से भी दो uses है, and बचा क्या I and P. So it is at the center. I at the center, P at the center. From I it is insomnia, from P it is panic attacks. Then from A it is antispasmodic, which is again a very important activity, along with anti-anxietic, which is the major activity. Then from second A it is anticonvulsant and alcohol withdrawal symptoms. So isn't it simple to remember the uses? A के दो uses, second A के दो uses, I and P at the center, insomnia and panic attacks. So this is as simple as that. From the name itself you can write down the uses, no need to by heart and all. Coming towards the official preparations are diazepam tablet, IP and BP. It occurs in following dosage forms: tablet, capsule, injection, elixirs, etc. So diazepam tablet, which is official in IP and BP, capsule is also official in IP and BP, injection is official in Indian Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmaceutical Codex, whereas elixir is official in BPC. And brand names are, see this, Calpose and Valium. These are really very important brands as per the evaluation of the question papers previously, whatever the examination has been done. In that examinations, they have specifically asked about these brands. Give the name of the drug which exists under the following brand names. Compose also there was question, and Valium also there was question. So the major brands on which the question is being asked till now are the Compose and Valium. Then other brands are Valtoco, Dizzy, Elsion CR, Distat, Alzepam, Diazepam, Intensol. These are the various brands, out of which Compose and Valium, these are the two important brands. With this, we finish with the diazepam details, properties, uses, etc. The uses again are really very important, along with the structure, IUPAC and the brand names. With this, we finish with the diazepam. Thank you.